Hello, I am Brajendra Nisad. Today I am describing my 10 days course on basic X-ray. On that I will cover the QA for diagnostic X-ray equipments. On that my topic is basic radiation physics, production of the X-ray, interaction of the radiation with matter, and quantities and X-ray imaging devices, X-ray imaging technique. Plus I will describe this block diagram, and it's a circuit diagram also, like KV selection, auto transformer, timer circuit, and rectifier circuit, tube, and the filament transformer, MA section. And I will describe the circuit. You can see this is auto transformer, and this is the voltage is going to the generator, and this is the all transformer binding, and this is MA metering and focus in indication circuit. This voltage is coming from the main transformer, and this is going to the SP transformer. So you can see this is rectifier circuit, and this voltage is gives to the anode and cathode, and this is the filament circuit, and this is filament supply circuit. You can see here this is going to the tube filament, and this is timer and technique overload circuit. So I will describe this also. Before that I will describe the basic electronics, how the electronics component work, and I also will describe the QA course for diagnostic X-ray. I will cover all these topic: basic radiation physics, production of X-ray, interaction of the electron with matter, and quantities and unit, and biological effect of the radiation. I will describe all. Before that I will describe about the atom. Particles released from the nucleus are alpha, beta, or gamma. Alpha emission is basically a combination of 2 proton and 2 neutron. Radiation is a form of propagating of energy from the nucleus. So I will describe about the atom and nucleus. To understanding how radiation is emitted from the atom, for that I will describe John Dalton atomic theory. As per the John Dalton atomic theory, all matter is made up of atom, means matter is composed of particles called atom. Mass is the basic physical property of the matter. The mass of an atom or the molecule is referred to as the atomic mass. Atom cannot be destroyed or created. All atoms of a particular element have the same properties, including weight. An atom is mostly made of empty space that contains electrons in their orbit, like L shell, M shell, L shell having electrons. At the center of the atom is the nucleus. Nucleus having neutrons and proton that has an overall positive charges, but the overall charges of an atom is neutral. So I will describe the tungsten electron configuration. This is the K shell. This is the K shell. This is the nucleus having proton and neutron. This is L, this is M, and O. K shell maximum having 2 electrons, L 8, 18. But the binding energy in the K shell is maximum. It is more attracted to this nucleus. The electrons are bound to the nucleus with a force known as binding energy. In the K shell, electrons having more binding energy. If an electron in the first orbit is to be lifted to the second orbit, just the right amount of energy should be supplied. But when electron jumps from the second orbit to the first, it will give back the acquired energy in the form of electromagnetic radiation. K shell में electrons positive nucleus से अधिक force से attracted हैं. If we want to release electrons from K shell, we need more energy. But for L, M and required little. X-ray ट्यूब में कैथोड से निकलने वाले इलेक्ट्रॉन्स टारगेट से बहुत स्पीड से टकराते हैं, जिससे वे टारगेट के एटम के अंदर बहुत अंदर तक चले जाते हैं. यदि इससे एटम के सेल से एक या एक से अधिक इलेक्ट्रॉन निकल जाता है, तो उसका स्थान भरने के लिए एल सेल से एक इलेक्ट्रॉन के सेल में जंप करेगा, तो दोनों सेल के एनर्जी डिफरेंस के बराबर का एक एक्सरे फोटोन इमिट करेगा. दिस इज एक्सरे थ्योरी. K series of X-ray photon having more frequency compared to the L series of X-ray photon. इलेक्ट्रॉन कैथोड व टारगेट एनोड के बीच में V पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस से एक्सीलरेट किया जाता है, तो इलेक्ट्रॉन द्वारा गेन एनर्जी EV होती है, E and V. एक ऐसी कंडीशन में जिसमें इलेक्ट्रॉन अपनी पूरी एनर्जी EV को एक ही टक्कर पर रिलीज कर दे, तो इमिटेड एक्सरे फोटोन की एनर्जी व फ्रीक्वेंसी वी मैक्स का जो फार्मूला रहेगा वो कुछ ऐसे रहेगा। फार्मूला कुछ इस तरीके से रहेगा। जब इसमें हम लोग पूरा वैल्यू रखते हैं तो कुछ इस तरीके से यूनिट आती है एंगस्ट्रॉम में, मिनिमम वेवलेंथ ऑफ द एक्सरे फोटोन। I also will describe the Metcalfe rule. That is, if any particle is unstable, it will become stable. Then it will release the positron or beta particle. The particle released from the nucleus are alpha, which is the combination of 2 proton and 2 neutron. This is helium. Basically, is the alpha particle. The unit of radioactivity is becquerel. This is the formula, and I will describe the half-life. Half-life is the time required for a quantity to reduce to half of its initial value. That is the half-life. This is the formula. And work function, the amount of additional energy required to emit an electron from the metallic surface is known as the work function of the metal. Interaction of electron with matter, there are 2 types of energy losses: collisional energy loss and radiative energy loss. I will describe this by A is the radius of the atom and B is the distance on the electron is traveling. If this B is greater than A, this is collisional interaction. If B is equal to A, then also the same. If B is less than A, radiative interaction, like this. Collisional interaction also, there are 2 types, hard and soft. This is the basic block diagram of the X-ray tube. This is rotating tungsten based anode, and you can see this is the motor, and this is the filament, and this is filament circuit. I also will describe all the complete theory, how the X-ray work in our theory class, and that is covered in this 10 days. And this is the heat unit formula, and this is for the single phase, and this is for 3 phase 6 pulse, and for 3 phase 12 pulse is this 1.41 for heat unit, the unit and joule. And I also will describe this interaction of X-ray with matter, and I will describe this formula, Planck, and then penetration and scattering. I will describe this complete file. I will describe, and I also will give one format for QA, and I will describe this Compton effect. This is scattering. Basically, this is the high speed photon is hitting with this electron, and the wavelength is shifting. That is the Compton effect. And this is the formula. Compton effect is the result of a high energy photon colliding with a target, with releases loosely bound electron from the outer shell of the atom or molecule. The scattered radiation experience the wavelength shifting. This is the wavelength shifting formula, and this is the theta angle. No doubt, the GE and Siemens is the best X-ray product, but as an Indian company, Ellinger also producing a good quality of X-ray equipments. But I am promoting MedWorks product for X-ray. This is a Madurai-based company that having a lot of X-ray products. I will show you the website. And this video is made by Concept Info 2.0. is for educational purpose, and this is complete 10 days course, and I will cover the basic electronics and the basic physics, and there is no matter what is your qualification, I will describe or teach you all basic electronics concept, basic physics, and little bit biology and the chemistry. As the 10 days is a combination of all the subjects. Thank you for